Hello everyone, I'm here to share the unboxing of PlayStation Classic. I grew up in the 90s, so this little platform really has some good memories attached to it. So let's just take a look at it. This box actually comes with about 20 games preloaded. I have to say, it took me a while to actually open the box. I think it should have been a little easier, okay? Um, However, I got it open. So let's take a look. Now we're about to open the inner box and we'll see what's inside. Then it's finally out. And now at least you can see what's in it. So that is the small little console of PlayStation Classic. I was surprised by the size of it, to be honest with you. It's almost the size of my hand. It's really small. Look at that. Take it out. It has a power button, a reset button, and an open button. What else is inside? Let's open this up. There we go. Looks like we have a lot of wires. What is this? HDMI cable. Both ends. These look like controllers. Yes, they are. They look exactly like they did with the original PlayStation 1 controller. I believe they're a little smaller. So this time they are connected through USB. Alright, now we're going to take out the other controller. Exact same thing. Right, and again we have the USB. Really small. Still amazed. And then this is a, what is this? Alright, this is the power cord. This power cord is the mini USB and a USB connector on the other side. And now let's see if everything fits. Right, mini USB. Let's see. Oh. There we go. The other end is the USB. The USB end. And let's go ahead and plug in the HDMI cable. There we go. What's next? Okay, controller 1, controller 2. Let's take a look. There we go. Oh, there we go, perfect. Alright, let's try the next two. Try the next one. There we go. Boom. Alright, controller 1, controller 2. Everything's plugged in. Everything looks pretty nice. And that's really it. Oh, I forgot. We have the manual. So maybe we'll read it, maybe not. But this is the manual that came with it. And that finishes it all. Guys, I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up. Share it. Have a good one. Thank you.